The 2010 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 2-ton jack, keyless entry, cruise control, power windows, power door locks with auto lock feature, Secure-Lock anti-theft ignition, PATS, overhead console, interval wipers, cargo area light, outside temperature gauge, scuff plates, map lights, cup holders, rear wheel drive, dual note horn, tire pressure monitoring system, removable locking tailgate, 4-piece floor mat set. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.